Hello, all. A warm welcome to About Diaries. Since the festivals are around the corner, Navratri are already started, so I've also started shopping for my home. Although we shop throughout the year, but during festivals, our shopping mainly focuses on decorations, new kitchen appliances and utensils, new items for home, etc.
Perfectly waited.
I bought this vase and artificial flowers from local shop to decorate the coffee table.
Would it change for the better if I wrote you
I
a
usually keep
letter?
it
If
empty.
I placed
However, for
a
festivities, I
sweater?
do something different. In fact, we all do so, right? This glass jar has golden color lid, so I found it perfect to keep it as a decor piece as well as a candy jar. I will be sharing some Deepavali decor items and ideas with you all in my upcoming videos.
But I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through.
I don't always keep this condiment jar here, but on some special occasions, I do it for a change.
One for me, then tell me now what I could do.
I tried placing this jar on both the dining and coffee tables, but here it looks better on the shelf under this table.
If I told you that I don't know where I'm going, don't know what to say, but
This big basket I bought to collect the laundry.
told you
Later, I decided to keep all my daughter's soft toys as they are increasing day by day. So, of course, I have to store them in such a way that they are not seen scattered here and there, and my daughter can find them easily.
do. If you are not the one, not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do.
Here, I am trying to make inner lining for this basket but could not succeed. These baskets not only add some aesthetic charm to any boring space but also hold a lot of stuff. I was ordering some kitchen items online and suddenly my eyes fell on this lovely planter and I ordered it. There was one other option available for this with one glass jar only, but I chose this one with two jars. I don't have any real plants at this moment, but I'm planning on putting some small money plants in it, and once they grow up, I will move them into larger planters. I wanted to buy a sturdy yet see through basket to keep all the mixer and grinder accessories. So this time, instead of a wooden organizer, I bought this pretty wire basket and this small one also. This acrylic one with the golden color on the handles is also nice. It has wooden handles instead of just plain white, which enhances its look. And both of them solve the purpose for which I bought them. These baskets have accommodated all these necessary items so well, and I can even see what all these baskets contain. I was planning to put a picture with a good coat in my kitchen for a long time, and then I found this one. I love both this color and the coat. To change the look of any nooks and corner, sometimes we need to make these little arrangements so that we don't get bored with the same and old look. With the help of this double sided tape, or you can use normal tape also, I will hang it here, and once I am sure of its correct position, I will attach a hook to hang it and to make it look more pleasant. Now some more color and charm has been added to this corner. Although it is quite small in size, but I managed to beautify my space with it. Although steel and cast iron materials are available in the market, but for tadka pens especially, I prefer hard anodized material. It also doesn't have a stand, which I like as it made it easy and quick to clean. Why I chose this material, you must be wondering. Actually, the steel one, even the triply one, gets burned very quickly. An iron one becomes difficult to clean because of the small size. We need to put little pressure to rub and clean the iron utensils, and this one is very small in size and round in shape, which makes it little difficult to clean. And that's why I chose this one. This pineapple shaped chopping board was on sale, so I picked it up. I thought whether it is useful for chopping or not, it will definitely be helpful for decorating the space. For now, it's a wrap. I shall see you in my next video. Please like this video and subscribe to About Diaries. Bye.